A very warm welcome to the Daily Crypto Vision, Jan Robert Schild of Crypto Academy. And today it's May Day on the markets again, and stock markets are correcting quite a lot. And also the crypto markets are down again after a short spike yesterday after the Fed announcement to move the federal fund rates towards 0 to 0.25%. And also they are pumping $700 billion in the market, but the market is not very impressed. Today there's a little bit other setting in the Netherlands. Also there's a total shutdown. Schools are closed, and also restaurants and bars are closed. And we are now in quarantine as well in the house, so it's better to be safe than sorry, not to seek risk too much. And if we take a look at CoinMarketCap, the market cap is shrinking again. It's now more or less $140 billion. In cryptos, 5,200. And Bitcoin is now trading around 4,897. It's not quite okay. I just sold some puts on Deribit with a volatility of about 280%. Albeit I have also a put as a cover. So that's quite okay. A 1-to-2 ratio spread. Ethereum 10% lower, XRP 7% lower, and this is good for our buying opportunity for the hodl portfolio. Of course, it's very ugly on the market, but I will keep my head a little bit quiet and cool, and let's take a look what the market is erecting later on. As I said, Bitcoin prices were topping 5.9k, so almost 6,000, as Federal Reserve cut the interest rates towards 0% and kickstarting, reanimating QE again. And it was yesterday. Here you see a chart with a trading range towards 6,000 now, correcting again, right? And the market is correcting again now below 5,000, and the massive stimulus package is designed to combat the market turmoil brought about the novel coronavirus. But shortly after the announcement, Dow Futures dropped 1,000 points, triggering the limit down and signaling that the Monday open could see the Dow, SP 500 and other major indices giving back the gains accrued by the market close on Friday. And the sharp pullback in future markets shows that despite strong intervention from the Fed, investors remain extremely concerned about long-term economic impact of numerous countries closing their borders, airline operators ceasing operations, mandatory self-guarantees, and curfews forcing tens of millions of people to cease all activity and remain indoor. Here we see the daily the market price. Here it says 5,345, but it's even lower. If we take a look at the trade navigator on a weekly basis, still a sell. It was triggering a sell on a daily basis around 8, and now still a sell. And the low was 3,600, and if you are unlucky, we can see this market this level again, if the market will retest this market level again. And also on the shorter term, there's no end in sight. 4,500 and 4,300. These are the main support levels. If you want to take a look for more information, go to cryptoacademy.nl. Hasta la vista.